All right.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate
Head
it.
first then.
Head first.
Here. Try that. There you go.
There we go. We made it.
All right, Barry. Go ahead and put your foot on the brake. Your right foot. There you go. I'm gonna try to get the seat adjusted so you can fit in here a little bit better.
Oh,
so
yeah.
just scoot your butt forward in the seat and get a little bit of room there. There you go. So you're just on the ceiling there.
Yeah.
Charm straight out. There we go. And you put your thumbs in there just like that.
There we go.
Your seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
All right, have fun out there.
Thank you, sir. How's it going, man?
Barry, Bill.
Shit, this sounds great.
What's that?
I said, this sounds great.
Want me to sing to you?
I mean, if you're into it, man.
I'm just trying to be funny, Barry.
Be funny all you want, brother. I'm having a good time.
You having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
All right, foot on the brake.
Got it?
Pull back the right paddle shift for Formula 1 time, let go. Should say 1.
Yep.
Let's go ahead and throw this loop, throw your arm through
There
there,
you go.
less likely to come unplugged. So Barry, what brings you out today? What's the occasion?
My wife got me and my father-in-law this for Father's Day.
So everybody's here?
Everybody's here. They're right behind
Awesome.
you. Yeah.
All right. Well, you can tell them thank you right there on that camera, Barry.
Yes, sir. Thank you, baby.
So you did the lead car.
Yes, sir.
And how many cars are you driving today?
Just this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just one car.
Just one.
We're going to go right behind the Ferrari.
All right. Let's go ahead and ease
Well, you
on.
know what? It's kind of like eating Lay's potato chips.
Yeah.
Can't stop at just one, man.
No, I agree with you on that.
All right. Have you ever been on a racetrack before?
No.
So what'd you think of that lead car?
Scared the shit out of me.
Good.
Yeah.
No. What did you learn, though? One thing. Just give me one thing.
I mean, the going through the G's.
Yeah, the corners of G's,
man,
right?
Dude, that was like.
She's a big girl, too.
Whew.
So imagine what this car is going to do.
Oh, it's going to be fun.
Lower to the ground.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Wider. Even more G's.
Wow.
But
Yeah,
drive
was-
within your comfort zone, okay?
Oh, yeah, 100%. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What else?
Just, you know, just the speed of the Hellcat was crazy
Yeah.
for me. That was insane, but it was just the adrenaline rush, you know,
Right.
when it takes off,
Right.
that gets you.
Because you think you're going to go through the corner, the car's going to flip over something
Yeah,
and turn it
yeah.
in sharper, right?
Right. It was
It does
there,
it.
man.
Yeah, it's planted.
Yeah, that was crazy. And
Okay.
Tyler was like, I'm a professional, you know, and he's doing this, you know, trying to work on
Tyler's
the hand
not a
signal.
professional. He was an Uber driver this morning, so.
I ain't telling me, man. I ain't telling me, man.
No, all kidding aside. Okay, good. So definitely worth that, right?
Yeah,
Go out
yeah,
there, you see the
100%.
track, you see the world's longest right-hand corner.
Yeah.
It just goes on
Yeah.
and on and on.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing for me is like getting through the corners to where, you know,
Sure.
just figuring out like
Yeah.
where you need to be at. But
Yep.
outside of that,
One of the things
super
I
excited.
compare it to, if you're a snow skier or water skier, do you do either one of those two?
no, sir.
No, all right. Never mind.
All I do is work, man.
Work.
That's all I do.
Oh, you got to have some fun.
This is
You
it.
ride a motorcycle?
No, my wife does.
Your wife rides a motorcycle and you
Yeah.
don't? Wow,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
I did it when I was young.
All right.
Got it up so fast to the point to where I felt it doing this. And
Oh,
then
yeah, the high-speed
floating,
wobble.
And
Yep.
I was just like, nah, I'm good. I ain't been on one since.
Fair enough. Well, the reason why I say that is out on the track, it's almost like a ballet where you're just going from one side of the track to the other
Yep.
and back again. It's same when you're skiing on the slopes. You're just going from one side to the other and back again. Same on the water when you're skiing
Right.
behind the boat. You just carve in turns.
Yes, sir.
That's the same thing on the track.
All right. Yeah, I bet my father-in-law's having a great time.
All right? And say your name again one more time.
Barry.
Barry. All right, Barry. We're going to pull right up behind 23. He's going out with the lead car. We're going to stop at the blue cones.
Yes, sir.
The first corner, we're just going to test the brakes. Okay, stop right here. We're going to let him get a head start.
Yes,
Get
sir.
some nice gapping on track. But if we end up catching up to him, we catch up to him. All right, Barry, ease on out nice and slow. Roll on that power. You notice the mirrors are set up for me, so don't worry about
Okay.
behind you.
So I can go?
You can go 3 feet from the edge. Roll on the power, nice and smooth. Accelerate up. I want you to accelerate up. Now I want you to test the brakes. Push on. Release. That's a nice firm brake. I like that. Just coast right now to orange. No brakes.
No brakes.
That last orange cone, no brakes. all the way to orange, my side.
Okay, I gotta go.
No
over there.
brakes. I felt the brake pedal.
I'm sorry, man.
Roll on that power, Barry, nice and smooth. Orange to green, add some power, a little bit. Stay to my side, orange, remember 3 feet. Back to your side, 3 feet. Look way down track, give it some gas. Stay to your side. No brakes, just coast and turn. Gas. Lift, no brakes, coast and turn.
Holy shit, man.
Out to my side. My side. No brakes. Coast. Coasting. Now maintain this speed with the gas. Just a little bit. Remember, 3 feet. All the way to orange. All right, world's longest right-hand corner. Let's add a couple more miles per hour. But stay middle of the track.
Middle of the track, okay.
Yep. Add a couple more miles. Just a little bit more gas. Now we're looking for that orange cone on my side. Maintain the speed. Now start getting all the way down that orange cone just before it. I want to lift, but no brakes. Lift, turn. Add some power, just a little bit. Stay mid-track. Look all the way through the corner. Add just another mile or two. All the way down to that orange cone on my side. Lift, coast, no brakes. All the way out to orange, turn to green. Now add some power, just a little bit. Come around that green cone, add more power. Come out to my side, more power. Keep accelerating, my side. Lift, no brakes. All the way to orange, turn to green. Look way down track. After the second green cone, let's start rolling on the power. Move over to my side, take a deep breath, relax your elbows, give it all the beans, all the way down. As fast as you want to go, Mary. I'm counting down. 3, 2, 1, lift, and brakes. A little bit more, brake, push on the brake. More. Release and coast. Out to orange, my side, then to green, much better.
Thank you.
Roll on the power, hug your side, add a little bit more speed, 3 feet, orange to green, 3 feet, stay to my side, orange, beautiful, look at green cone, now look way down there, start rolling the power, gas, your side, no brakes, lift, orange to green, my side, gas, brakes light, release, coast, orange to green. All the way out to orange, lift, no brakes, orange, stay center track, center, add a little bit of power, maintain this speed, all the way to orange on your side, nice job through there. Now after orange, stay out to your side, add a little bit more speed, turn your head, look through the corners, stay right here, don't go any more to my side, but a little bit more speed. Now start bringing it back down to my side to orange as you're adding speed. We're just going to lift, coast, orange to green. Add some power, stay out mid-track. Nice speed through there, beautiful. All the way out to orange, but this time we're going to have to do a light brake. Just a light brake, release off to orange, then back to green.
Yeah.
After second green, start rolling on the power. More gas, come out to my side, more gas. No brakes, just lift and turn. Second green cone. We're going to start rolling the power, move to my side, relax those elbows, flat on the gas. Here we go, all the way down. Counting down for you. 3, 2, 1, lift. Brakes. Keep braking, but slowly come off. Release, just coast to orange and turn.
Dude, I got it 149.
Back over to your side. Roll on that power nice and smooth. 3 feet, back to my side, orange. Look through the corners, back to your side. Roll on the power, give it all the beans. No brakes, lift. Orange to green. Green. Gas. Lift, coast. Orange to green. Out to my side. Coasting. Stay mid-track. Now maintain this speed. Now start moving down to your side to that orange cone. After orange, stay out to your side, adding a couple more miles per hour. Look all the way through the corner. You're perfect. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now start tightening up to my side. A lift, coast, orange to green. Add a little bit of power, just a little bit. Stay out mid-track. Now tighten it up to my side. Just a light brake release all the way out to orange. After that second green, we're coming out to my side. This is the end of our third and final lap. Well, let's give it the beans. Lift, no brakes, just coast. We're going to follow that Ferrari right back into the pits.
Dude, you did great, man.
I did great. I wasn't doing shit.
You did shit, dude. You did fucking man. It was awesome. It was awesome.
Nice driving.
Dude, I appreciate it.
All right, let's go drive another one.
Hey, man, don't tempt me now.
I'm already tempting you. You got to drive that Corvette.
Is it faster than this?
I wouldn't, about the same.
Wow.
But for the money, that car is amazing.
Yeah.
Man, I tell you, I don't know how they built that car for the money they're charging.
No doubt, dude.
We're going to pull right up here. We're going to take a couple pictures, so get ready to stop.
Yes, sir.
Looks good right there.
And big smile. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. We meet again, brother.
All right, we'll head all the way down to that Ferrari, nice and easy. Tight to the red cones, but watch people walking, they're not paying attention.
I got you.
Keep going straight. Keep going straight. A hard left and foot on the